The ORA key fob, found in models like the Good Cat and Lightning Cat, uses a CR2032 battery. Battery issues are common, but replacement is usually straightforward. First, focus on opening the case. The ORA key fob uses a CR2032 lithium 3-volt battery. This is the standard type you'll need for replacement. Use a plastic pry tool or a flathead screwdriver to gently separate the two halves along the seam. Avoid metal tools to prevent damage. If the case is stuck, a common issue, especially in pre-2023 models, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer on a low setting to soften any adhesive. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the case. Some models might have hidden screws, so check your car's manual. Note that the Good Cat has a screwless design. Once open, you'll see the battery, circuit board, and a rubber gasket. Make sure you work in a static-free environment to avoid shorting the circuit. After replacing the CR2032 battery with the positive side up, test the remote by pressing buttons to ensure it works with your ORA vehicle. If the remote fails to work, the issue is often corrosion on the battery contacts inside the fob. Clean the contacts gently using isopropyl alcohol to remove any buildup. Also ensure the rubber gasket is correctly seated to prevent moisture from entering and causing future problems. Double-check that the battery is correctly oriented with the positive side up. If the remote still doesn't work after cleaning and reassembly, the problem may be with the fob's programming or internal components, requiring professional assistance or replacement, especially if under warranty. In 2024, ORA released a firmware update that alerts users of low battery via the vehicle app and addresses common issues. If everything seems correct, consult your ORA vehicle's manual for specific key fob reset procedures.